Welcome students, myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav. Good morning. I'm your computer teacher and today's topic is chapter 4, inserting objects in MS Word. This is your today's chapter and today's topic is that is given on your book page number 39, inserting word art, resizing the word art document, and also on page number 40, formatting the word art. Okay, and one is inserting screenshots. Okay, so we start inserting word art. The word art feature of MS Word allows us to insert artistic text in a document. We generally use word art for creating distinct looking headings. The steps to insert the word art text in a document are as follows. First, click where you want to insert the word art text in the document to place the cursor there. Second, on the Insert tab in the text group, click Word Art button. A list of word art styles will be displayed. Third, click on any word art style. A text box will appear to allow you to type your word art text. Fourth, type out your text and click anywhere outside the text box to finish. So, we start how we can insert a word art. Then you have to open a Microsoft Office Word. I think all of you also know how we can open a Microsoft Office Word. Then you have to click on the start button and then you have to go on all. There is a Microsoft Office Word also available. Click, and if you want to go, then you have to click on all programs and there is a Microsoft Office, and then you have to select the Microsoft Office Word to open it. Okay, this way, so that will be open. So click where you want to insert the word art text. Then if you want to insert here, then you have to click, and on that go to the Insert tab, click on the Insert tab, and then you have to go on the word art feature. This is the word art feature. Okay, click on that. There are various options. Which style you want, then you have to click that style. If you want to this style, then you have to click on that and then click on any word art style. A text box will appear to allow you to type your word art text. So here you have to type your word art text. If I type caps lock my school. Okay, type this, I miss my school. Okay, and then you have to increase the size or whatever is there. There is a too much increasing the size, bold, italic, whatever is there, and then you have to click on OK. Okay, now look, this is the style in which your text will appear. Okay, and now you have to next is that. So resizing the word art document, we can resize the word art text by selecting it and then changing its font size from the font size button in the font group of the home tab. The steps to resize the word art text are as follows. Select the word art text, open the home tab, click on the font size drop down arrow and select a bigger font size from the list. Press the enter key. The size of the word art text will increase accordingly. Students, remember to rotate the word art text, drag the rotation handles. Second, you can also select a type text and convert it to word art by using the word art button. So this is the word art text, and if you want to resize it, then too many options are there. You have to select the word art text. Okay, and then go to the home tab and select the font size. Then you have to click on that and then you have to increase it. Okay, easily you have to increase it. I will show you also how you can increase it. So right click on that and there is edit text. You have to increase the size from there. Okay, here is a too much 40, 44, whatever is there. If you want to click on 44, then you have to increase the size and then click on OK. It will be okay. And this is the rotation handles through which you can also move or resize it. Okay, this is the rotation handle, and if you want to change the color, too much options are there. shape fill, if you want to change, then you have to change a color, which color you want. And outline, lining, if you want, then you have to look at that lining styles. Okay, dash, dotted line, or whatever it line. Okay, then you have to easily change that line style. Okay, and change the shape, this type of shape, this type, this, which type of shape you want, then you have to easily change. Okay, this feature you want, then you have to select it. Look this. Okay, so you can change too much things with, there is options, and you have to rotate, then this rotate by 90 degree, rotate right left 90 degree, flip vertical, flip horizontal, and show. If I selected this, then this, then this, and then this, then you can easily convert it. Okay, these are the features given in MS Word, how you can insert a word art text and how you can format that word art text in different formatting word art features. Next topic is the formatting the word art. When we click a word art object, the format tab appears on the ribbon under the drawing tools. Clicking on this tab displays many command buttons and options to format a word art object. Some of them are described in the following table. The format tab is not always display. Okay, when you click on that word art text, then it will be displayed on the screen. I will show you. If I look, here is the format tab, and this is the word art text. I will select it. If I not select it, look, there is only view option, not any format. When you have to click on that word art, then it format tab will appear, and there is a various format tab options are available, that is given on your book. Command button, text fill, text outline, text effects, text directions, word wrap, align text, position, shape fill, shape outline, shape effects, rotate. Too many things are there. And one tip is to delete a word art object. Select the word art text box by clicking on its border and press the delete key. If you want to delete it, then you have to select and press the delete key button from the keyboard, and then it will be deleted. So too many options are there. Text fill, there is a shape fill options, there is a shape text outline, text effects, shapes, word wrap feature is also there. Okay, position, rotate, shape effects are also, shadow effects, 3D position, 3D effects, all options. Positions are also given if you want to insert into middle, in between, at below of the document. If you want to insert at that bottom of the document, then you have to click on that position. It will be displayed on the bottom, middle, bottom left, bottom right. So which position you want, then you have to easily select the position. Okay, now inserting the next is inserting screenshots. How you can insert a screenshots? If you have any screenshot feature, any picture you want to insert, then you can easily insert. You have to click on insert, and then there is a, you have to click on that insert menu. Okay, and then there is a pictures. Okay, which picture you want, then you have to easily click. If I have not too much pictures, if I want to insert that thumb impression, then you have to click and then go on insert. This picture will be inserted. Okay, and you have to increase or decrease the size of that picture, then you have to increase the size. Okay, this way you can insert the picture. Okay, and covered area, so click on that, and then from the menu that appears, select the picture, which picture you want, and drag the pointer to cover the area you want to capture, and release the mouse button. The covered area will appear in the document. So this is the, okay, so this way you can insert a screenshots, insert any pictures on your MS Word document. Okay, so today I will discuss the chapters: inserting word art, resizing the word art document, formatting the word art, and inserting screenshots. I think all of you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.